In this fulfilling orders lesson, I'll present an overview of shipping orders. After you complete this lesson, you should be able to describe the overall shipping process flow. You should also be able to explain the main activities involved in processing a shipment. And in addition, you should be able to describe how Oracle Order Management and Oracle Inventory Management work together to support the shipping process. Finally, you should be able to explain why a company might choose to use quick shipment. Continuing with the Fulfillment Orchestration to Invoice OMPP's configuration steps, this lesson provides a better insight into the Managed Shipments subprocess. Specifically, you will learn key features and related setups for configuring shipping rules and parameters. Configuring these settings in Oracle Inventory Management provides significant benefits by optimizing the entire outbound logistics cycle, improving operational efficiency, and reducing cost. Additionally, it allows for automated, accurate, and standardized processing of shipments from pick wave release to final ship confirmation. In our first topic, we'll cover an overview of the overall shipping process flow. The shipping process starts when a sales order is created in order management. Next, a reservation is created to assign material to that specific sales order. This reservation protects inventory by preventing other demand sources from using the same material. The warehouse manager monitors sales orders and releases them for picking. The warehouse manager also generates pick slips so warehouse staff can pick material for outbound movement and creates pick waves using different criteria to improve warehouse efficiency. The warehouse operator monitors and performs the picking work. Pickload supports picking for outbound shipments, replenishment, and requisitions. The warehouse operator can search for pick slip and confirm it in a single step, and the warehouse manager can generate and distribute pick slip reports that guide material movement. The shipping agent packs and confirms outbound shipments, creates shipments, and resolves exceptions. The shipping agent also generates shipping documents, such as the carrier bill of lading at ship confirmation, and communicates shipping messages to trading partners about shipment contents, status, arrivals, and shipment requests to support integration of external systems. The shipping agent can manage pending or errored shipping transactions for external systems using the spreadsheet-based Managed Shipment Transaction Corrections in Spreadsheet task, which uses ADFDI. The shipping agent also captures shipping costs and assigns them to a shipment line, or packing unit. At the end of the flow, shipping information is passed to order fulfillment and cost management for downstream processing. You can capture electronic signatures on the managed shipment and edit shipments pages. Integrated trade compliance in Oracle Inventory supports both automated and manual requests to screen shipment lines. It lets users decide which shipment lines to screen and when to run the screening. Users can also view the screening results directly in the shipping user interfaces. In addition, it can send shipments and shipment lines to Oracle Global Trade Management so export documents can be created. Integrated transportation in Oracle Inventory Management receives fulfillment lines from order management when they are waiting for transportation planning. It then receives shipment planning details from transportation management and uses that information to update the shipping lines. Once planning is complete, it releases the planned shipment lines so warehouse teams can pick, pack, and ship. It can also group one or more shipments into a single transportation shipment. You can release, pick, and ship based on either the transportation shipment or the initial leg destination location. After shipment execution, you can confirm the planned shipment and send the actual shipment details to trade management. If any planned shipment lines can't be shipped, the system can backorder the unshipped lines. You can integrate Oracle Fusion Cloud with external systems such as third-party logistics providers, warehouse or manufacturing systems, or contract manufacturers. With these integrations, you can send receipt advices for inbound material and receive receipt confirmations when that material is received. You can also send shipment requests to support demand fulfillment and accept shipment confirmations when material is shipped. In addition, you can receive inventory balance details from the external system. For our next topic, we'll discuss pick release process flows. The pick release process starts when inventory management automatically creates a pre-approved movements request. A movement request asks to move materials from a source or stocking subinventory to a destination or staging subinventory. These movement requests are created for sales orders that are waiting to ship. The destination staging subinventory comes from order management or is defaulted from the Managed Shipping Parameters page, and each pick wave can use only one staging subinventory. If you enable Auto Confirm Pick on the Create Pick Waves page, the system allocates inventory automatically after it creates the movement request. If you don't enable it, you could allocate inventory later by using the Confirm Pick Slip page. Shipping uses the release sequence rules you enter on the pick wave, or that defaults when shipping parameters to decide the order in which it fulfills the movement request. Allocation also follows your inventory picking rules and shipping default sourcing details such as subinventory, locator, revision, lot, and serial number onto the movement request. You can adjust those defaults manually on the Confirm Pick Slip page. If you use Quick Shipment, you can skip pick release. Otherwise, inventory must be allocated before you can print pick slips, and pick slip printing uses the pick slip grouping rule from the pick wave or from shipping parameters. If you enable auto confirm picks on the Create Pick Wave page, or if you clear pick confirmation required in inventory organization parameters, pick confirmation happens automatically. If pick confirm manually on the Confirm Pick Slip page, pick confirm completes the subinventory transfer by moving material from the source location to the staging location. Now we'll cover ship confirm process flows. A shipment is a group of shipment lines that share common shipping schedule to ship to a customer's ship-to location at a specific date and time. Ship confirm is a step where you mark the shipment as confirmed, which means the shipment line is shipped. You start ship confirm from the Manage Shipments or Edit Shipment page by selecting Ship Confirm. Before you can confirm, you must choose a ship confirm rule or enter the ship confirm options, resolve any shipping errors, and serial numbers when required. You can ship confirm only after the shipment lines are pick confirmed. When you ship confirm, lines can be shipped, backordered, staged, or sent to cycle count, and the process is complete when the picked quantity is recorded as shipped. After shipped, the device is sent back to order management. After the shipment closes, order management updates the order line with shipped quantities and sets the line status to shipped. Inventory issues the material, reduces on-hand balances, and removes the reservation. Order management charges, and inventory creates distribution records that flow to the general ledger. If you ship confirm only parts of the quantity, the remaining quantity can be staged or backordered. Backordered quantities stay in the staging subinventory, are removed from the shipment, and have their reservations removed. Staged quantities also stay in staging, are removed from the shipment being confirmed, and can be shipped later for a new shipment number. If you submit quantities for cycle count, the reserved quantity is moved to the cycle count, and the shipment line statuses changed to backordered. Our final topic for the lesson discusses the quick shipment feature. When you perform a quick shipment, you bypass reservations, picking, and pick confirmation. You go directly to creating a shipment, choose the material to ship, and enter the shipping details manually. You also enter serial numbers and lot numbers only at shipment confirmation, regardless of the item's serial or lot control settings. Quick shipment gives you more control over which material and serial numbers you ship, and it simplifies the overall navigation and process flow. It also reduces setup effort because you don't need to configure picking rules and picking rule assignments, pick wave release rules, or release sequence rules. You also don't need reservations, pick confirm for the material you decide to ship. Quick shipments can be good fit if your organization has a simple, small warehouse operation, or if the same person handles multiple fulfillment steps. It can also work well when you don't need to capture serial numbers and lot numbers until you confirm the shipments. You enable quick shipments from work area. To wrap up this lesson, you should now be able to describe the shipping